In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find indicators on TradingView. If you're new to TradingView or just getting comfortable with charting, indicators are one of the fastest ways to add meaningful insights to your charts. They help you visualize trends, momentum, and potential turning points without changing your actual price data. The good news is, adding them is simple and takes just a few clicks. Start by looking toward the top left area of your chart. You'll see a button labeled Indicators. It's part of the main toolbar that sits above your chart. Click that, and a panel will open. This is your indicator library, and it's where you can find just about any tool you might want to use. Inside this panel, focus on the search bar. This is the easiest way to get what you need. Type the name of the indicator you're looking for, like moving average, RSI, or MXD, or even a general term if you're exploring ideas. As you type, TradingView will start showing matching results. You'll notice there are built-in indicators as well as scripts published by the community. If you're just starting out, using the built-in options keeps things simple and reliable, but everything is available in one place so you can browse comfortably. Once you see the indicator you want, simply click on it. That's it. The moment you click, it will appear right on your chart. Some indicators, like moving averages, will overlay directly on the price candles, while others, like RSI, will show up in a separate pane below the chart. That difference is normal and depends on the type of indicator you've chosen. You'll also see it listed on your chart's legend, so you can easily keep track of what's active. If your indicator doesn't seem to show up immediately, give it a second to load or make sure you're clicked back on the chart area. Typically, it appears right away. You can keep your chart clear by selecting one indicator at a time while you're learning. As you become more comfortable, you can search for another one the exact same way and add it just by clicking again. That's really all there is to it. Click the Indicators button at the top left, use the search bar to find what you want, and click the result to place it on your chart. With this simple flow, you can quickly try out different tools and see how they change your view of the market. Keep practicing with a few familiar names, and you'll be navigating the indicator library with confidence in no time.